Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we show you how to set up the Experience Insights page and track usage with Google Analytics. Before you get started, make sure you have an existing Google account. Then create a Google Analytics account using the Setup Analytics for a website or app help article, accessible from the Analytics Help Center. Once you have created your Google Analytics account, go to Data Streams and locate your measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID and paste it into the corresponding field in the tracking section of the settings page. Now go to Google Cloud Console and create a new project. In this example, we're using the name Tim Tennant. Assign your relevant organisation and location. Head to the Google Cloud API library and search Google Analytics Data API. Select it and select Enable. Under APIs and Services, select Credentials. Select Manage Service Accounts and Create Service Account. Back in Credentials, select your Service Account project and head to the Keys tab. Select Add Key and create new key. This needs to be a JSON key. When you create this key, it will automatically download to your device. Upload this JSON file to the key file field on the settings page. Open the file from your device. In this example, we're opening it with Notepad. Locate the client email address field and copy its content. We need to add a user to Google Analytics using this email address. To do this, use the Add, Edit and Delete Users and User Groups help article from the Analytics Help Center. Once you have created your user, head back to Google Analytics and select the Configure tab. Select Custom Definitions. Select Create Custom Dimensions and complete the fields as we do. Do the same for all 4 dimensions you see here. These parameters are case sensitive, so it's important to copy them exactly as they are shown. Your Experience Insights page will experience errors if these are not configured correctly. On the Custom Metrics tab, select Create Custom Metrics and enter this for form completion time in milliseconds. And another for form abandonment time. Now create an account with Google Tag Manager using the Setup and Install Tag Manager help article from the Tag Manager Help Center. In Container Setup, select Web. After creating your account, the Install Google Tag Manager window will appear. Copy the Tag Manager code from this field. It should look something like ours. Paste this code into the Google Tag Manager title field on the settings page of the Applaud platform. Download the Applaud article project file. And locate your Google Analytics measurement ID again. Copy the measurement ID and open the project file that you just downloaded. Paste the ID in the fields for Public ID and Tag IDs, replacing the IDs currently present. Save the file somewhere on your device. Now we're going to import this to Google Tag Manager. To do this, follow the steps in the Container Export and Import Help article on the Tag Manager Help Center. Remember to head to the Tags tab and select the Google Analytics GA4 configuration tag. Enter the measurement ID from your Google Analytics and check the box for Send a Page View event when the configuration loads. Locate your data stream on Google Analytics and select it. Make sure that Enhanced Measurement is switched off. Select Configure Tag Settings. Then Manage Automatic Event Detection. Disable all available configuration settings. On your web stream details, you may see an error message regarding data collection. This is fine. Finally, in Google Analytics, head to Property Settings. Copy the property ID shown and paste it under the key file in the Settings section of Applaud. Select Update and head to the Experience Insights page from Admin Home. You should now have access. You won't see any data yet, but if you don't see any error messages, your configuration should have been a success. Come back to the page later and it should look something like this. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.